How to delete your Uber Eats account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can delete your Uber Eats account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete our Uber Eats account, all we have to do is just go ahead and launch the Uber Eats application. Now deleting the Uber Eats application will delete your Uber account overall. So the ride account is also going to be deleted and the Uber Eats account is also going to be deleted because it is basically the same account, right? Once you open Uber Eats, just come to the account tab over here and you will see all these options. Scroll down and go to the option called help, and once you go to the help, go to accounts and payments, and once you go to account and payment, go to account settings. Once you go to account settings over here on the next page, it says I need help deleting my Uber Eats account, right? So just tap on the I need help deleting my Uber Eats account, and then after you've done that, you'll be able to see the option that says delete my Uber account. Just tap on it. It will take you to a page in your web browser where it will ask you to log into your Uber account again. In my case, I'm already logged in, so make sure that you're logged into your Uber account and you need to load to you the web page over here. So as you can see, it will just directly load me this page where I can delete my account. So it says the following profiles will be deleted, which is my Uber ride account, and the other is my Uber Eats account. So if you're a rider or a customer, your both account is going to be deleted, but this is not to delete your driver account. Okay, you have to keep that in mind. If you're a driver or delivery person, this is not to delete your account, this is just customer wise. And then once you've done that, read all the terms and conditions, tap on the continue button from the bottom, and your Uber Eats as well as the Uber account will be successfully deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your Uber Eats account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.